Okay, let other students join, please. I told you to join quickly so that we can begin, but you always join it late. What we keep doing? I will going to call today again. It's like because this is very necessary. Students, some students will not join the class, and so this was civics period, na?
Yes, sir.
So civics period will not run today. We are going to have physics.
Sir, you were teaching factors of affecting the resistance.
Factors affecting the resistance. We have discussed that. Okay, and I have taught that topic, or I have to teach. I have discussed na R equal to rho L by A formula.
Yes.
I was just asking. I want to know that I have discussed this formula. R is equal to rho L by A. This formula.
Yes, sir, you have discussed this.
Okay. So we have not done any numerical on this formula. What is the unit of rho? Can anyone tell me what is the unit of rho? What is the unit of resistivity?
Ohm meter. Ohm meter.
Ohm meter. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to take an example based on resistivity what you have studied. So copper wire of length 2 meter.
So this is the numerical question.
Yeah, numerical. And area of cross section
So repeat from beginning.
I'm writing the question, you can see. Are you able to see the screen? The copper wire of
No,
length
sir,
2 meter
screen
area
is
of
not
cross.
visible.
Screen not visible.
Sir, it is visible.
It is visible, sir.
Again, I'm saying a copper wire of length 2 meter area of cross section.
Sir, we do in copy.
Yeah, you have to do in copy.
What, sir? What to do in copy?
This question which I'm writing.
Acha, okay.
Hello, Jia. No, I have written the question, so you have to solve. मैं बात कर रहा था स्टूडेंट से. जिया, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
इतना इतना लेट का हो गया? खाना खाने चली गई थी क्या? भोजन करने?
No, sir. Network issue. आवाज
Okay.
रास्ते में अटक गई थी.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ये बहुत अच्छा बहाना है. नेटवर्क इशू, सर फोन डिस्चार्ज हो गया, लिंक नहीं ओपन हो रहा, क्लिक नहीं हो रहा, लॉगिन नहीं कर पा रहे.
सर बार बार लिख रहा था कनेक्शन एरर।
अच्छा अच्छा. कौन कौन किसको लिख रहा था कनेक्शन एरर?
सर गौरव।
गौरव. गौरव, आप 2 आईडी से ज्वाइन किए थे, तो इसलिए क्या होगा, आप एक सिंगल आईडी से ज्वाइन करना चाहिए ना.
ओके सर।
सब चीजें हम देखते रहते हैं यहाँ पर. और कृतिका जी, काफी लेट कर दिया आप आने में क्लास में. आप लोग को तो फाइन चार्ज करना चाहिए. तो अगर 5 मिनट लेट से क्लास में ज्वाइन करो तो यू शुड बी फाइन, है कि नहीं? कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है. मैंने इतना अच्छा क्वेश्चन लिखा है व्हाइट कलर में. कॉपर वायर ऑफ लेंथ 2 मीटर and area of cross section 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square has a resistance of 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohms. Calculate the resistivity of the copper. बच्चा पार्टी देखते हैं सबसे पहले कौन करता है इस क्वेश्चन को. ये कौन है? एबीसी. हेलो मिस्टर एबीसी. Who is this ABC? ABC कौन है भाई? Okay, sorry.
सर 17/19 सॉरी 17/10 to the power 9 ह्यूम।
Well, give me a minute. Actually, the meeting was posted in a wrong group. Student of that old section joined. Copper wire of length 2 meter, area of cross section, and 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square has a resistance of 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So all are you are from new batch, na? If anyone has joined by mistake by old batch, it's not actually for old batch. It was for new batch. Okay, I just mistakenly posted in the old batch group. Okay, and the stretch is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8.
सर हो गया.
Yes. So we know that. Okay, let me tell you.
रो का वैल्यू ह्यूम होगा कि खाली ह्यूम मीटर होगा?
Ohm meter. Let me explain this question. You know, the formula for resistance is, as we know, R is equal to rho L by A. So from there I will write so what is the resistance? You can see the question asking resistance. Resistance is this. Resistance 2 into 10 to
Sir,
the power
done.
minus. It's okay. Let others let understood this. 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6. Length is 2 meter. So 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा and you will get 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8. तो इसका unit होता है ohm meter. So write like this, ohm meter. That's the answer. I hope you all are able to understood this question. If anyone have any doubts, you can go and proceed on. You can just ask me.
सर 17 upon 10 to the power 9.
You
Why
can minus 9 or plus 9. You can write it minus 9, but
Plus 9.
we are no plus 9. We are from where it is plus 9.
Sir upon.
You are judging you that you are correct. Okay. So 1.7 into 10 to the power. You will do in this way. Okay. And I've done it on the screen. I hope you all able to see, all of you are able to see that. And okay. Now I'm going to give another question to all of you. Okay. A 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled up by folding. Calculate the new resistance of the wire.
One 1.5.
6 ohm resistance wire is doubled up by folding. Calculate the new resistance of the wire. What was saying 1.5? Who said the answer 1.5? I want to know his name. Adnan, आपने बताया?
Sir 1.5.
Gaurav? Okay, Gaurav,
Yes,
you.
sir.
So see, 1.5 you did it very fast. Did you copy it somewhere?
नहीं सर अभी किए हैं.
So how did you,
Sorry.
how you do that? अगर मैं आपको रिमोट एक्सेस दे रहा हूँ, आप किससे लॉगिन है? मोबाइल से?
सर मतलब?
मैं अगर आपको यहाँ से एनोटेट करने की परमिशन दूंगा तो आप वहां से स्क्रीन पर लिख पाएंगे. लिखिए, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे. गौरव ने, ओके. सो आपको मैंने एक रिमोट कंट्रोल का ऑप्शन गया होगा अपने मोबाइल पर. वहां से मेरे सिस्टम पे आप चला पाएंगे पेन. अपने मोबाइल पर अगर आप चलाएंगे तो मेरे यहाँ जो स्क्रीन होगा सही बच्चे
सर
से
मोर ऑप्शन वाले पे.
हाँ, मोर पे आप जाइएगा, वहां पे आपको एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा रिमोट एक्सेस करने का. रिमोट जैसा कुछ दिख रहा होगा.
नहीं सर मीटिंग सेटिंग है और कुछ नहीं है. और चैट और रेज हैंड और डिस्कनेक्ट ऑडियो है. और फिर इमोजी।
नहीं, एक ऐसा कुछ ऑप्शन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, ऐसा कुछ कॉर्नर पे।
10th वालों की क्लास है, मत ज्वाइन करना, 10th वालों की क्लास है।
नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं है।
बढ़िया
Okay.
बढ़िया, मम्मी की बात नहीं बताएंगे।
Mr. Adnan, please mute yourself. If a 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled by folding, let me tell you. Okay. So who is Satyam? How you are getting 24 ohm? If you're not able to speak, अगर आप मान लो आप किसी ऐसी सिचुएशन में हो आज एंड आज आप नहीं बोल पाते तो just you can raise that, sir, I am unable to. So, but if you are able to, you can just unmute yourself and tell me the how. तभी तो लर्निंग का पर्पस होगा। So this is the wire. Suppose this is the wire. Now what you are doing? What is the question saying? That this is wire is doubled by folding. Okay. Yeah, I get. You see, इसको हम लोग डबल करने का मतलब है किसी चीज को मैंने फोल्ड करके डबल कर दिया, मतलब इसको मैंने ऐसे फोल्ड कर दिया। ऐसे। So अगर इसका इनिशियल वायर का लेंथ, सपोज इनिशियल लेंथ वाज L and area was A. Now the length is L by 2 and area is A by 2. So if you double wire, the area will reduce to half and length will area will become double because this has area, this has area, so total area will be 2A. So when the wire is doubled by folding, its length is reduced to L by 2 and area become 2A. Now we all know that the formula for, we know that R is equal to rho L by A. R equal to rho L by A. Now, since R is equal to rho L by A, so just you have to understand that in this question, what is said in the question, wire is doubled by folding. Okay, wire is doubled by folding. So resistance is 6. So I can write the resistance. Question it was given. You see, the 6 ohm resistance wire double. So question resistance हमें पहले से given है. So 6 new resistance, initial resistance. Give me a minute, okay? I'll just need to. Don't go anywhere. So we know that R is equal to rho L by A. Now, in this question, it is said that, no, I just don't need it. I have understood what you have done. So we know that R equal to rho L by A. Now, R dash will be new resistance, the rho into L. So L is half by 2 and area is 2A. So we can write this as, इसको कैसे solve करेंगे? See, we'll write this as rho L by 2 and this 2 will become 4. So this will become, ये 2 और 2 मिलके 4 हो जाएगा. So 1 by 4 rho L by A. And rho L by A को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? R. This will become 1 by 4 of R. Now you know the value of resistance is, it was given 6. So 6 by 4 is 1.5. This is the answer. ये 24 नहीं होगा, 1/4 हो जाएगा. Because length has half, so resistance has half, and the so this is how you'll approach this question. Because the length is doubled, so I have written length is half, so I have written L by 2. Now I have interchanged the value. It's called R, so 1 by 4 of R was 6, so this will get 1.5. I hope you are clear with, everyone is clear with this. किसी को भी कोई doubt है, so you can ask me. Is this okay to you? Okay. Now, you always remember that every day the password is same. P small p h y s i c s. This password is same for every class, and the passcode it will be asking. So you just remember these things. Don't worry. Now I'm going to give you another question. That you have find ratio. Where I find ratio? I will not find the ratio. No, I have not find the ratio. The ratio is 1 by 4 of the resistance, which I have not. We have not find the ratio. Okay, don't be confused. Resistance निकाला है. Now let me write the next question. How does resistance of wire change when first length is doubled, second diameter is tripled, diameter is tripled, its material is changed to one whose resistivity is 3 times. So these are the 3 questions which I have taken. This is just an example we have taken.
Sir, R.
How does resistance of wire change when the length is double, diameter is tripled, if the material is changed to one whose resistivity is 3 ohm? Resistivity is 3 times. If anyone want to answer, he can raise his hand. Answer the first question. What happens when the length is doubled? बहुत easy question है.
Sir, the resistance decreases when the length is.
How you can say that length increases when resistance will decreases? What is the basis of your saying? आप ये कैसे कर सकते हो? So resistance is directly proportional to L. So अगर length will be double, resistance will also become double. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंस था. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या हुआ था? लास्ट फोल्ड में डबल किया था फोल्ड करके, तो फोल्डिंग करने से लेंथ घट जा रहा था. दैट वाज डिफरेंट केस, बट दिस इज अ डिफरेंट केस. हियर द लेंथ इज डबल्ड. So length is doubled, so it is increased. So if the length is increased, the resistance is going to be also double. So since length or resistance is proportional to length, therefore we can write that since R is proportional to length, therefore resistance will also double. Therefore resistance will be doubled. Okay, fine. The question to the second, you can answer with the second question. Diameter is tripled.
So diameter tripled.
Yes,
Area nahi.
diameter is tripled, not area. That's the thing here we have done. Resistance will decrease. वो तो ठीक है, बढ़ेगा घटेगा, but how much it will become? If area is increased, resistance is going to decrease. So how much? कितना? 4/9 R. Okay, we'll see that. I don't think that would be, but let us see. You see, if the diameter is tripled now,
So 2L upon 3A.
resistance is inversely proportional to area. Okay, so you can see this can be answered. If the area will increase, the resistance will also change. We will also know that area of the wire is given by pi r square, and so I can write it
Sir,
here.
it becomes 1/9.
Yeah, suppose let me tell you how you can do. Suppose this is the resistance I told you is proportional to inversely. Suppose initial resistance is R1, and after the area change, it's become R2. So ratio of R1 by R2 will be K2 by A1. You can write like this because I'm writing it like because thus let me explain this. Thus, if initial resistance is the resistance is R1 and final be R2. हम देख सकते हैं कि R1 by R2 का जो रेशियो होगा ना, it will be A2 by A1. Why A2 by A1? Because area is inversely proportional to area. अब एरिया क्या होता है? डायमीटर. Pi equal to R square, so R2 square by R1 square. And R2 is equal to diameter half, so you can write D by D2 by 2 square by D1 by 2 squared. So you'll get D2 squared by 4, and this will go offside, 4 by D1 square. D2 by D1 square. So R1 by R2 is equal to D2 by D1 square. So R1 is the resistance. D2 क्या है? You see, if the material, the question is diameter is tripled. Okay, so if the initial diameter was suppose that initial diameter was D1 was D. Now it is said that it become triple, so it's become 3 times of D1. So this will be 9, 3 square is 9. So new resistance R2 will be equal to R1 by 9. मैंने एकदम स्टेप बाय स्टेप किया है. अगर हम इसको चाहें तो डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, बट मैंने स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखा है ताकि आपको एक कंसाइज आइडिया हो कि एक्चुअली अप्रोच कैसे करते हैं. मैं
सर
सिंपल
नहीं
समझा
समझ
देता
में आया.
हूं. हाँ, वही समझ रहे थे कि आपको मैंने डिटेल. इसी एरिया बढ़ता है तो रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा?
घटेगा.
घटेगा. तो अगर मैं इसको सिंपली में इतना अगर मेहनत ना करके आपको सिंपल समझाना चाहूँ तो रेजिस्टेंस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एरिया, और एरिया होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर, और रेडियस को लिख सकते हैं डी स्क्वायर बाई 4. देख सकते हैं ना, 4 को ऊपर ले जा सकते हैं. ये बात
Yes,
समझ में आ
sir.
रही है? यहाँ से आपने रिजल्ट क्या देखा कि रेजिस्टेंस इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू डी स्क्वायर. मींस अगर रेजिस्टेंस डायमीटर बढ़ेगा तो रेजिस्टेंस, if the diameter will increase, resistance will decrease. So now the question is saying that diameter is tripled. If diameter becomes 3 times, resistance will become 9 times less, because D will become 3 times 3 का स्क्वायर 9 होता है. तो 9 टाइम्स अगर डायमीटर 3 टाइम्स बढ़ाएंगे तो रेजिस्टेंस 9 टाइम्स घटेगा.
समझ में आ
डायमीटर
गया.
बढ़ेगा तो रेजिस्टेंस घटेगा. तो ये एक डायरेक्टली कह सकते हैं 10 वीकेंड में यहाँ से डायरेक्टली कर सकता हूँ. 10 डायमीटर इफ इंक्रीज बाय 3 times resistance will reduce by 9 times. उसी चीज को मैंने पूरा इलॉबरेट कर दिया था यहाँ पे कि रेजिस्टेंस अगर R1 by R2 है तो A2 by A1 लिख सकते हैं, और उसके बाद हम लोग वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके मैंने दिखाया कि कैसे रेजिस्टेंस को कन्वर्ट करते हैं. और नीचे रेजिस्टेंस R1
तो हम लोग ऐसे करेंगे कि नीचे वाले से करेंगे?
नहीं, आप नीचे वाले मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं, ऊपर वाले से भी कर सकते हैं. ऊपर वाले मेथड पर भी प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है, उसको मैं भी और क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगा, बट नीचे वाले मेथड से भी आप कर सकते हैं. ओके, हो गया ना? थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखिए उसमें. If material is changed to one whose resistivity is 3 times.
So resistance will also be increased by 2 times. Sorry, 3 times.
3 times. You see, a formula we know that, we know that question. resistance is equal to rho L by A, where rho was the resistivity. जब मटेरियल बदलते हैं तो रेजिस्टिविटी चेंज होती है. रेजिस्टिविटी कितनी टाइम्स हो गया? 3 टाइम्स. The resistance will also become 3 times because resistance is directly proportional to resistivity. Since resistivity becomes 3 times, therefore resistance also become 3 times. Hopefully you all understood. Yeah. So all of you, those students who have joined, first I would like to take the attendance, one thing which is very, very important. Second thing which I have to take is that let me first take attendance, then I'll go to- Oh, why I couldn't join? Any one of you have to ask anything? Otherwise, I will take another question. So, एक्चुअली हम लोग आगे पढ़ना है रेजिस्टेंस रीजन पैरेलल, बट उसके पहले लेट अस टेक वन क्वेश्चन. Resistivity of copper metal depends on one of the following factors. Your options are length. Don't speak. You have to. I'll ask to anyone, so he will speak. Length, thickness, temperature, and the last option, area of cross section. So resistivity depends on of a copper metal depends on one of the following factor. Now you have to tell me on what factors. One option is correct. So let me ask. Those who want to answer this question, please raise your hand. Gia, okay. Other? Only one student has raised hand. Okay, Gia, tell me.
Sir, the answer will be temperature.
Temperature is a very good answer, and thank you. Yes. Anyone else? Why can you tell me, Gia? Why are you thinking that temperature is
all.
going to change? All. Who is saying all? No. देखिए, question asking about resistivity of copper metal. So no, resistivity is equal to resistivity R is equal to rho L by A. And when I discussed, I gave you a formula that okay. Resistivity तो मैंने पढ़ाया था, तो मैंने बताया था जो रेजिस्टिविटी होती है ना, इट इज इक्वल टू आर ए बाई एल। तो अब इस पे मैंने डिफाइन करते कहा था कि रेजिस्टिविटी इज डिफाइंड व्हेन एरिया इज 1 यूनिट, लेंथ इज 1 यूनिट, सो रो इज इक्वल टू आर। किसी वायर की जो लेंथ 1 यूनिट
Sir,
होती
it
है,
is also
एरिया 1,
dependent on length and area of cross
नो इट
section.
डजंट, no रेजिस्टेंस डिपेंड करता है, रेजिस्टिविटी नहीं। यही तो अंतर है, मैं यही बताना चाह रहा हूँ। इसी रेजिस्टिविटी डजंट डिपेंड, रेजिस्टेंस लेंथ पे डिपेंड करता है, एरिया पे डिपेंड करता है, बट रेजिस्टिविटी डजंट डिपेंड अपॉन लेंथ एंड एरिया। Since it does not depend upon length and area, therefore I say that rho is equal to r. So जब एक यूनिट का वायर लेते हैं, एक यूनिट लेंथ का वायर लेते हैं, जो उसकी रेजिस्टिविटी तो वही रेजिस्टेंस होता है। So don't this तो लेंथ काम नहीं करेगा, थिकनेस का मतलब वही एरिया से होता है, एरिया क्रॉस सेक्शन से मतलब नहीं है। टेम्परेचर पे डिपेंड करता है, टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है रेजिस्टिविटी बढ़ती है, जैसा कि रेजिस्टेंस भी बढ़ता है मेटल्स के लिए। किसी मेटल में टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने पर रेजिस्टिविटी और रेजिस्टेंस दोनों बढ़ते हैं। So when you increase the temperature, resistivity and resistance both increase. Resistivity and resistance for metals. Therefore, the option number C is correct. Okay, तो ये याद रखिएगा, गलत। रेजिस्टिविटी ना तो लेंथ पे डिपेंड करता है, ना एरिया पे डिपेंड करता है, ना क्रॉस सेक्शन पे डिपेंड करता है, ना थिकनेस पे। रेजिस्टिविटी सिर्फ टेम्परेचर डिपेंड करता है, बट रेजिस्टेंस डिपेंड करता है रेजिस्टेंस लेंथ पर, एरिया ऑफ नेचर ऑफ मटेरियल, all those parameters पे डिपेंड। ओके, आप लोग समझ में आ रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो अब आपको में से किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना हो, कोई क्वेरीज हो, कुछ डाउट्स हो, तो आप फर्दर मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। यू कैन आस्क मी, आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू, अदरवाइज आई विल प्रोसीड फर्दर। हाउ मच टाइम इज लेफ्ट? Okay, so we are.
Sir, in case of
we are
every
studying-
metal, it depends on temperature.
Yeah, metal resistivity and resistance both depend on metal. Temperature बढ़ाने पे resistivity और resistance बढ़ता है, but metals not for like insulator, और you can say insulator तो होता ही नहीं, semiconductors के लिए follow नहीं होता rules, alloys के लिए follow नहीं होता, pure metals के लिए follow होता है। So इसके बारे में डिस्कशन होगा एक क्लास में, किसी क्लास में हम लोग इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। और
The resistance also depends on temperature.
Yes, that is also depends upon temperature. मेटल का टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने पे रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ता है और रेजिस्टिविटी भी टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने पे बढ़ती है। Okay, so we are going to end this session. We will discuss in the